Good morning, class. Tuesday, 21 April 2020, online lesson number 16, Section 1, Pre-Teaching, Topic Overview, Section 2, Learning Zone, Section 3, Self-Study, Activities. Section 1, Pre-Teaching, Writing a Biography. Let's first of all define biography. A biography is simply an account or detailed description about the life of a person. It entails basic facts such as childhood, education, career, relationships, family, and death. Biography is a literary genre that portrays the experiences of all these events occurring in the life of a person, mostly in a chronological order. Unlike a resume or profile, a biography provides a life story of a subject, highlighting different aspects of his or her life. A person who writes biographies is called a biographer. Continuing Section 1, Pre-Teaching, Writing a Biography, there are three types of biographies: autobiography, biography, and memoir. An autobiography tells us the story of a person's own life. While that person writes his own account, he or she may take guidance from a ghostwriter or collaborator. Biography, number 2, a biography narrates the life story of a person, as written by another person or writer. It is further divided into 5 categories. 1, popular biography. 2, historical biography. 3, literary biography. 4, reference biography. And 5, fictional biography. The third type of biography is a memoir. This is a more focused writing than an autobiography or a biography. In a memoir, a writer narrates the details of a particular event or situation that occurred in his or her lifetime. Now, let's watch this video, which is going to give us more information about biographies. Class, we will now move on to Section 2 of our lesson today. Section 2, Learning Zone. We will go to our Learning Zone books, our student books, and concentrate on CLIL, Language Arts Zone, Writing a Biography. Student book, page 77. Class, let us study page 77, Writing a Biography. Class, on the next page we have an example of a biography, and we will be using this example to do several activities in section 3 of our lesson. I believe I can read it, but I think I'll wait until we are in class and I will read it. We will read it together. Class, we're now moving on to section 3, the final lesson, final section of our lesson today, activities. In our first activity, we have 8 statements. We need to decide, are they right or are they wrong? And then we need to say why. You will need to refer to the sample biography in the previous page that we just read in order to get your answers. You do not need to write the statements in your writing books, in your notebooks. Please just write the answer right or wrong and say quickly why you believe the answer is right or wrong. Class, activity number 2, grammar. Please go back to the reading and pick out all of the verbs that you can find that are in regular tense and all of the verbs you can find that are regular verbs. Remember, regular verbs always end in ed when we put them into past tense. Irregular verbs, on the other hand, the spelling changes. So please go back through the text to pick out all of the regular verbs, list them in one column, and all of the irregular verbs, please list those in a second column. Once again, you will be doing this in your notebooks. Activity number 3, or C actually, complete the sentences with the correct verb in the simple present tense. We have 5 verbs: reign, write, get, become, discover. Each one of those verbs will complete the sentence. The verbs can only be used once. Let's see how we do on that. And once again, you do not need to write the complete sentence. Just write number 1 and next to 1 the verb that fits with number 1. Class, and finally today I'm going to give you a homework assignment. In your Learning Zone workbook, CLIL, Language Arts, Writing a Biography, page 77. Please complete that. Now, as always, make sure to take a photo of your work and post it to your portfolio page. Class, that concludes our lesson for today. Goodbye for now. See you tomorrow. Have fun, stay safe, and don't forget to do your homework.